So I want to show you this really cool stealthy method to get tons of views on Instagram. More importantly, you're going to get comments and people to go to the links that you're trying to promote, whether it's an affiliate link or your own products. This is a really cool method, and this is something that I've been testing out, but I've noticed a lot of people doing it and they're getting some insane results, okay? So all this is called a remix, okay? So if you go to Instagram, you see like a very popular video, what you can do is you can quote unquote remix that video. And what it allows you to do is essentially, if you've ever done like a TikTok duet, you're basically, it's like a reaction video. So let me just show you some examples and how you can do this. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do it over the shoulder. I'm going to pull out my phone. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how you can do this very, very easily, okay? So here's an example here before I show you exactly how to do this. This is Caroline Hane. Now, I saw her doing this, and this video got thousands of likes, hundreds of comments, and all she was doing was essentially reacting to a popular video, okay? So if I click on this, okay, you'll notice this is just like a popular video here that she's reacting to, okay? Now, the cool thing is tons and tons of people are commenting, but the coolest thing is she's not just getting random comments. People are actually commenting for her stuff, right? The things she's promoting, the things she's selling, okay? So that I thought that was super interesting because she didn't go and create this piece of content. It's a viral piece of content. All she's doing is reacting to the video, which is super cool. Now, obviously she's, getting ready. She's doing her makeup, getting her hair ready. And that's all she's doing. Okay. Now you can do whatever you want. You can show videos of you, playing with your kids or cooking, whatever you want to do. Okay. Another thing I noticed is she actually had a good hook in the beginning, right? She said she became an entrepreneur at 35. Watch how successful she's become. So she's kind of giving you a reason to watch the video. I think that was very clever because I think most people would create like a duet or a remix, and all they would do is just simply say, here's the video or whatever. So I thought that was very clever from her. Now I did this just now, literally right before I turn on the camera, and I'll show you kind of what mine looks like because this is something I'm actually testing myself. So you can see I kind of did the same thing here. I just posted this, so we'll see what happens. But again, I'm essentially doing the same thing. Now, I didn't do anything really that exciting. I was literally just looking at the screen. But I was just trying to do this real quick. That way you can see, kind of how this works and kind of how easy it is for anyone to start creating content, okay? So that's all we're doing. And let me actually show you now how to do this step by step on your phone, okay? So I'm going to pull out my phone and I'm going to go and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, this is how you create a remix on Instagram. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to find a viral video, right? You want to find a video that you think has tons of value for people. Maybe it motivates them, it educates them, that type of thing. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on the explore page. So it's going to be this button right here at the bottom right, not my profile picture. It's going to be the button to the left of that, okay? So I'm going to click on this. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of scroll until I find something that catches my attention, something that I think has lots of value, okay? And that's the thing, right? So usually something that has lots of comments, lots of views, stuff like that, okay? So I'm going to kind of keep looking here and seeing what I can go ahead and remix. Okay, now I'm gonna stop scrolling real quick. I'm just gonna come back on until I find a video. All right, so I found this video here by Alex Hormozi. It seemed like a really good value video, and I feel like it would help my audience. So that's kind of what you want to do, right? You want to find a video that you're like, this was helpful for me. I think my audience would like this. Okay, because if you duet that, it's essentially sharing a video that's very valuable. Okay, so you essentially get a good audience on your back end, okay? And that's kind of what Caroline did. She found a really good video, good motivational video, but she was able to get people to go to her links, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on the little three dots on the right, bottom right, so above little yellow logo here. And then you're going to look for the button called Remix there at the top, okay, top middle. We're going to click on that button, and I'm going to show you exactly how to remix this on your phone. Okay, so the next thing you do is at the top, you'll see that little camera button. So you're going to click the little camera button on the top middle. And now we can go ahead and remix this. So what I'm going to do is on the left, you'll see that little arrow pointing down. I'm going to click that for more options, and I'm going to click on remix layout. Okay, so you want to click remix layout, and there's different types of remixes you can do. So there's like the dual where you can have it like that, right? So you can do that, or you can do the up and down, or you can do I kind of prefer this one for some reason. I like showing this, and then you can make this bigger, smaller by using your thumbs. But essentially what you do now is you just click the little record button in the middle there, and that's it. Like I can record this video right now. Okay, so I'm gonna record, and you'll see. Oops. There we go. So it has to be the little home button, and you can see I'm literally creating a reel right now as we speak. Okay, so if the video is a minute long, you'll have to show yourself watching this video for a minute long, or you're drinking coffee or with your kids. But as you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, and if I go ahead and hit next, there it is. Okay, there's my video. And then at the top, I can go to the AA and add text, right? And I can say something like, watch this if you want viral views. Okay, so this is important, right? You want to add something of value. You want to add something that gets people to be like, oh, why should I watch this thing, right? So you kind of have to add your own hook in there, right? And that's, I think, gonna make it or break it. Okay, and last thing here, once you add your hook, okay, you're gonna hit next in the bottom right. And right here, this is where you can go ahead and add a caption here. So I can go ahead and do that. So if I go to, again, if we go to the example of Caroline's, I like what she did. All she did was just really talking about the video here, like the key to success, blah, blah, blah. A year from now, I wish you had started. Comment and learn to get started, but this is going to her links, right? So this is really cool. So same thing, you can do something very similar. What did you think of this video? Was it helpful? Okay, and then I have a free course that helps people get started, and then I can say something like that. If you want my help quitting your job, I have a free course showing how. Okay, something like that. Say, learn, or I'm in, or whatever you want. I'll put learn to get access. Something like that, right? Literally, I can go, and then the bottom right, just share it, and that's good to go, right? That's it, guys. It's very cool. It's a very stealthy method to get people to watch your content, right? Because the thing is, like, you're curating this content that has already gone viral. So in a way, you're serving your audience, because it's like you found these really cool videos and you're curating it, right? You're a curator. Some of the best books in the world by Tony Robbins was literally him finding the best people in the world, in the financial world, and curated a book. He doesn't know much about investing himself, but he found the best people and he wrote a book about them. Okay, so this is essentially the same thing. You're curating the best content, the best value, and you're giving it to your people. But in return, you're going to get views, you're going to get comments, followers, and hopefully people go click on your links, they go buy your products, and you're really not creating your content yourself. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and we'll see you on the next video.